parted lips, they wag their heads. Hear a light on the Lord, let him deliver him. Let him rescue him if he loves him. My God, why have you abandoned me? Indeed, many dogs surround me, a pack of evildoers closes in upon me. They pierce my hand and my feet. I can count all my bones. My God, why have you abandoned me? They divide my garments among them, and for my vestures they cast lots. But you, O Lord, be not far from me. O my help, hasten to aid me. My God, why have you abandoned me? I will proclaim your name to my brethren. In the midst of the assembly, I will praise you. You who fear the Lord, praise him. All you descendants of Jacob, give glory to him.